New Mazda CX-30 crossover SUV that is ready to fill the meaning of every aspect of life in style. A unique design, simple and beautiful, maintain a sporty and agile and other premium level with a new color, platinum quartz, LED signature headlights and taillights inside the cabin, spacious, comfortable, meticulous in every detail. With a superior view with an electric sunroof, confident in every path with superior safety technology and responsive performance to be ready to experience. Let life find new perspectives and fill more meanings than before. With the Skyactiv G2.0 petrol engine, the Skyactiv G2.0 delivers a maximum power of 165 horsepower, coupled with fuel economy technology that directly injects fuel into the combustion chamber, resulting in a high compression ratio, provides continuous horsepower and torque across all operating ranges. The intelligent power transmission system Skyactiv Drive, Skyactiv 6-speed automatic transmission that delivers precise response at all speeds, fun to drive and environmentally friendly. New Mazda CX-30, a new generation of vehicles that completes the driving experience that is fun and agile.